hope that every one of you are healthy and happy. I'm Miss Nita and today we are going to have English class. Now, let's learn something fun today. Please prepare your fantastic book, a pencil, an eraser, and color pencils or crayons. Today, we'll do page 6 to 9. First, open on page 6. As you see on your book, there are some pictures there. You need to identify what the picture is, color the correct bubble that has the letter, and the last you have to write the word neatly. Now let's start. Number 1. What is the man doing on the top of the horse? Let's spell the letter one by one by coloring the correct bubble and then write it down. What picture is that? Yes, it's right. Now let's spell it. Right. Right. Now you have to write it on the right side. Right. It's easy, isn't it? Now let's go to number 2. What picture is it? Good job. It's a bike. Now, color and write it, please. You can do it by yourself. Number 3. What do we call the white grain that we eat every day? Come on, you can do it. And the last, you get out of someone's sight so he or she couldn't see you. What do we call it? Marvelous, everyone! The next page is page 7. You need to write the correct word for each picture. It's so easy, isn't it? Number 1. The tube for the water to move from one place to another. What do we call it? Good job! It's a pipe. Now let's write it on the boxes. Pipe. Pipe. That's the way you do it. Now for the next, you can do it by yourself. Let's see number 2. The cube that has different number on its side to play game. What is that? Now number 2, what do we call a group of mouse? Write your answer. Number 4, you fly this thing when the wind blows. It starts with k, 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 k. What is that? And number 5, what number comes after 4? Number 6, it's a bee house. What do we call it? Yes, it's a hive. 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 The next one, number 7, what color is it? The last one, something that you can play on the playground. You move yourself from the top to the bottom. What is that? You can write your answer in the boxes. Good job, everyone! Now open on page 8. Please complete the sentences with the correct word. Number 1. The blah 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 is small. Which one is the correct answer? The ice or lies? Write your answer. Number 2. I have the long blah blah blah. Is it ripe, ripe, or pipe, pipe? What do you think? Number 3. I play blah 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 in the playground. Is it slide? Do you play slide in the playground? Or 5? Do you play 5 in the playground? Write your answer. Number 4. It is a bee blah blah blah. Bee right or beehive? Which one is the correct answer? Number 5. The blah 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 are cute. Is it mice or smile? What do you think? Please write it neatly. We come to the last page for today. It is page 9. In this page, you need to complete the sentences with your own words, but make sure it's a proper answer. Number 1. The rice is blah blah blah. Maybe you can answer it with the color of the rice, or maybe the size of the rice. But here, Miss Nita choose white. So my sentence will be, the rice is white. You can answer with your own word. Number 2. I play blah 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 and seek. What do you think? Good job. It's hide. So the sentence will be, I play hide and seek. Number 3. Number after 4 is blah blah blah. It's obvious. It's 5. Number 4. The kite is blah blah blah. Miss Nita will choose flying. So my sentence will be, the kite is flying. Now number 5. The pipe is blah blah blah. Come on, choose your own word. It's Miss Nita's word. I choose long. So my sentence will be, the pipe is long. Now number 6. My bike is blah blah blah. I won't answer mine pink. So my sentence will be, my bike is pink. You can choose another word you like. Well done, everyone. Thank you for doing it nicely. Let me remind you to write your name, day, and the date. Today is Thursday, and the date is 25.3.2021. Please write your day and the date nicely. You did it, guys! Please keep practicing reading using the flashcards. I'll see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone. Bye-bye!